Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see first message on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to view the first message in your Instagram DM, you can either tap on the top status bar repeatedly to force the chat to scroll to the very top, or use the Instagram's download data feature to access your complete message history. So once you keep on scrolling the stop bar, it will now take you to the first initial time that you have started your chat to. So if you don't want to do so, then you can simply go to your profile, tap on the hamburger like icon, and there you can find an option called download your information. Simply tap on it, and once you have done this, you can simply download or transfer your information of Instagram, which will allow you to see your first message on this platform. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.